As the pioneers of AIM, we had to provide an innovative solution for two main challenges. Number one is real-time, online, accurate data of the physical link. Number two is to add a management and intelligence layer to that particular link. I believe those two challenges remain the same for data centers operators. I see the challenge with the data itself and with its collection. Once the data is accurated and consolidated in one unified data store, then we can add the layers of intelligence and management. And by that, I believe DCIM platform will become the mandatory and the central tool of data center operations. And by that, we will be able to improve the efficiency of the resources and sustainability. We work with a wide range of verticals and data centers models. And we find that the main pains are varies between the verticals and even between the customers at the same vertical. We do differentiate between needs and pains because the needs are massive. The pains can be consolidated into one high-level pain, which is mainly around the daily and ongoing operations. We see that most of the teams are busy to be reactive to unplanned incidents and emergencies, rather than being proactive and structured with their daily operations. The main reasons for that is the data. The data is spread all over. In best case scenario, is stored in multiple sources. The data is not smart. The data is not consolidated. Sometimes the data is documented in spreadsheet or in paper notes. And this causes huge confusion when you are coming to perform a task in the data center. A solution for that should be an intelligence unified data store, which bridges between teams, environments, and systems, and by that, allow better stability and fast time to operations. DCIM must change its direction to deliver the promises. First of all, stop selling slogans and focus on technology and customer needs. The change has to come from two elements. One is technology, and the other one is implementation and project delivery. Technology has to be designed to offer intelligence, integration, customization, and management. We try to position it as UIM, Universal Intelligence Infrastructure Management. The other element, as I said, is the implementation. We are not selling, and the DCIM players should not sell a license. We are selling a solution. A solution has to come with proper capabilities for customization and integration, and to fit the solution to the customer, and not vice versa. Many of our clients have pushed our DCIM boundaries. Actually, taking the DCIM to the limits, in my opinion, secure successful implementation and usage of the system. I will demonstrate that through two types of customers that we are working with. One is financial customers, and the other one is co-location. Both took the DCIM to the level that this is their main system of data center operations on daily basis. And they did it through customization, integration, and automation. The first one is two global financial institutes. They wanted to have one consolidated system to run global move, add, and changes. We have performed that through integration, customization, and automation. We had 4 integrations. One is for their configuration system, catalog system, ticketing system, and their power system. The customization and automation, we have implemented several algorithms that contains rules and policies and capacities thresholds. The result of that was that from 2 to 3 hours change planning time, we move it for few seconds planning time. The other customer is co-location. They wanted to consolidate the engineering and operations with customer relationship. We have performed that again through integration, customization, and automation. Two integration were Salesforce CRM, which is very unique to do such integration within DCIM, and the other one was more nature to DCIM, which is BMS integration into the DCIM. The customization and automation, we build them for the customer portal that allow to automate customer request and resources allocation together with billing. The result of that, increase of their customer satisfaction, accurate documentation and records, and increase the revenues. The advice that I would give to operators and verticals who are still using manual and siloed system is stop using homemade or Excel tools. This simply put your data center operation in huge risk. Data center infrastructure management is not easy and beyond just monitoring and reports. It's not easy to implement, and obviously it's also not easy to develop in-house. I would recommend operators, in order to mitigate the risk, first of all, to put strategy moving on stages towards proper software, which will offer smart data and intelligence to their workflows and operation practices. Other strong recommendation is to insist and demand customization and implementation program with defined KPIs by the vendor itself. I believe the most exciting opportunity for DCIM and its user is the opportunity itself. The DCIM has not progressed in the past 10 years at all. The opportunity is to create a technology solution that will change and impact the management practices of data center infrastructure so they become more efficient and sustainable. We have exceptional opportunity to start a revolution and change a culture in a market that's going through very fast digital transformation.